Shit. Oh, shit. Hey, girl. Damn, girl, you just gonna take it? You're gonna give him a nosebleed. He's gonna learn a lot more than how to swim tonight. I'm starting to want to learn. If it involves that. I didn't think she was gonna take her bra off. It's my first time seeing nipples. Oh, Makima, I'm sorry. How did you... What? Damn, his clothes fell off. They just warped. You got this, Denji. He's so conflicted, bro. Be a man, Denji. He's fight it, Denji, fight it. Remember, Makima. Son of a bitch. What happened to Makima, man? Ure. Take a good look. Beautiful. Beautiful music. Beautiful music. Beautiful animation. You know, I'm kind of glad for my boy Denji. He's lived a hard life. He deserves this. He deserves a peaceful night. Beautiful scenery. You go, Denji. You fought a lot of devils to get to this point. And you learned how to swim. Teach you things you don't know. Oh, the lessons don't end here? Hey.